Eastern Shore markets are hot with buyers and what markets are not. It's Friday, September 23rd, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. Right now, Wicomico is in high demand for buyers. Dorchester, Queen Anne's, and Worcester counties have slowed to moderate interest, while Caroline remains steady, with Talbot and Somerset cooling off to slow. Kent County has very limited activity. So, buyers looking for a leg up should be concentrating in the slowing and limited activity markets for the best negotiating power. That would be Talbot, Somerset, and Kent counties. New contracts rose this past week, mirroring the rest of Maryland's buyer demand in the market. Homes for sale rose again this past week to 1,236, though 40% of active homes for sale have made pricing adjustments. These have been on the market for 58 days median. So let's look at the inventory movement this past week. 95 properties are coming soon, reflecting a rise from last report. 154 properties came to the market since last week's report, on par with last week. 91 properties are temporarily off the market, falling from 99 last week. 107 went under contract, a 25% rise. 107 properties went to pending, also a significant rise over last week. 151 properties sold, rising to 15 days on the market and falling to 98.1% list to sold ratio. The highest sale this past week was this waterfront in Easton for $4,600,000. Rental inventory is up to 56 for lease, but holding steady at $1,700 per month. These have been on the market for 22 median days. Are you thinking about moving? You should feel confident about buying or selling a home. Call me to get the expertise and all the information that you need to make the best decision for you. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland's Eastern Shore Report for September 23rd, 2022. Thanks so much for tuning in. Until next week, be kind to one another.